Let's talk about Panaway. This has a special lid on it. I don't know if you noticed that. It's kind of like a child-proof lid. You have to push down on it really hard. It has wintergreen in it and some other amazing oils that are just great for soothing your muscles. So think after exercise, think before exercise, think massage, think self-massage, you know, these areas that are always super tight. It's wonderful. This is also a blend of many different oils, and I just love it so much. So Panaway, away with the pan. Pan is Spanish for bread. That's not what they mean. You'll figure it out.